Don't eat bread. Combine 2 eggs and broccoli for your breakfast. Let's start by cutting 150 grams of broccoli to remove their stems. Put the broccoli in a pot and cover with water. Leave them to cook for 15 minutes. Then, drain the water and put the broccoli in a bowl and add 2 eggs. Put everything in a blender. Add as well half an onion, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of oats, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and blend well until smooth. Write me in the comments where you're watching us from, so that I can personally thank you for keep on following our recipes. We'd love to know. Drizzle some oil in a pan and spread it. Then, with a tablespoon, add a bit of our mixture. On minimum heat, leave it to cook for 5 minutes, then flip it and keep cooking for 5 more minutes. Repeat the process with the rest of the mixture. If you're watching the video, you're loving the recipe, then like the video and comment below, "I love broccoli." And you guys, this recipe is easy to prepare, super healthy and delicious. Try it at home. I'm sure you won't regret it. And our recipe is done, ready to be enjoyed. And thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.